Alright everybody, welcome back to another Bass and Bucks video. Today we've got the fish we caught behind me. Stay tuned for the video here. We're gonna hop right into it. We're gonna be doing a lot of fishing this weekend. Make sure you guys are staying tuned to the end here. We got all these fish are on video. Let's dive right into it. Here we go, fellas. So, got the GoPro on right now. We're gonna go ahead and walk on. Hope you guys can hear me. We'll walk out to the spot here. Kurt's got one, or he just had one. My dad's got a skipjack right now. We're gonna see if we can't get on some fish here. Maybe we can catch a little skippy. We're gonna go ahead and see what we can hook up with right now. Get on video for you guys. Got a lot of clams in the water. Glad we brought our little Nike shoes. We're gonna go ahead and see if we can't get one. They're hitting it right when it comes up, right? Like right in here.
Yeah, I've had several.
Got one.
I've had several that hit right up close.
Ooh, this one might be a big one. Trout? No. What is this? Sand trout. Yeah. So yeah, let me throw them in your basket. If your basket gets too full, put them on my stringer. Sand trout in the bag, boys. Well, there's something finning up there. Kurt, something finning up there, Dad. Got one up there. Ooh, that's a big one too. Ooh. Hey, Sandy. Dad, can I use your little deal? Here we go, fellas. Ooh, big one, big one, big one, big one. I think it's a redfish. There's a big boy. Skippy guys, going back in. Using these little brown 4-inch bull minnow pumpkin. Ooh, got one. This is big, this is big. There's a big boy. Oh yeah, red. Not big enough. Straight retrieve. Got one. There's one. Oh yeah. Ooh, I got a nice one. I got a real nice one. Big old trout. That's a keeper. Oh yeah, right up in that slick. Is that a trout? Yeah. Got one.
Nice.
Oh, right there. Wow. Holy hell. This is what Brad was like sleeping in on. I got your spoon too. Yeah, I caught it. Ooh, got one right there, right in front of me. Damn, that's a big old boy. Oh, fuck yeah, he came off. Those are the big ones. Ooh, there we go, we got one.
Sand trout. That's a good one.
Look at this one. Damn, that's a long one.
What a blast.
Yeah. And see you later. Fucking skipjack. Big old Bertha. Wonder how they taste. You want to try them? Oh, yes, came off.
Might as well try it. Skipjack and stingray.
guys, welcome back here. We just finished up fishing for today, and what we've got behind me here is the plethora of fish that we caught today. We got, as you guys can see, 3 sea trout, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sand trout, 2 gaff top we caught yesterday when we kind of went out to the bay, 1 big old flounder there in the middle, and then 1 little jackfish. We're gonna clean these guys up, see how they taste, and go ahead and do a little catch and cook for you guys. I'm going to be cutting up all these, putting them in separate different bags, so that way we can taste each different damn, see how they taste. So let's hop right into it here. Let's get to cleaning, and we'll do a quick time lapse for you guys. I'm going to clean all these guys up real quick, in and out, and on this nice cleaning station here, we're staying at Kentucky Beach in Rockport, Texas. So let's get into it. See you guys at the cleaning station.